and then you can tell it. Therefore, faith will then come from hearing, and hearing by the preaching of Christ. There's not a thing else to preach. Today, from all the pulpits of the world, they say, let us become involved, trying to change society, change the world. That's not preaching Christ. He said, render unto Caesar the things that are Caesar's, and unto God the things that are God's. Yet today all the pulpits are filled with simply being involved. We must become involved and changing society. That's not preaching Christ. Let us now turn to the great confession of faith of the Jewish faith. It is called the Great Commandment. You'll read it in the 6th chapter, the 4th verse of Deuteronomy. And then you go on. I'll quote the 4th and just a little bit of the remaining 3. It is, hear, O Israel, the Lord, our God, the Lord is one. Now we are told, tell it, teach it fervently to your children. When you sit down and when you rise, talk about it. When you walk by the way, talk about it. When you retire at night and rise in the morning, let it be with you. Write it upon your heart. Wear it on your hand, between your eyes. Make it a part of you. Make what a part of you? That the Lord, my God, that Lord is one. Now all translations are really paraphrases. Hear, O Israel, the Lord, that means I am. Our God, our I am, is that one I am. In the Hebrew text, the first word, which is Shema, which means to hear, Shema Israel, Shema. That last letter of the word to hear is majuscula. In other words, it is larger than the other letters in the word. And the last letter of the last word, which is achad, which is one, that is larger than the other letters in the word. So the 2 letters that stand out in the sentence. Put them together is ed. And ed means in Hebrew, witness. So they're calling man's attention to the fact there's something important here, and this is what is called the Great Commandment. You shall be a witness to this statement that the Lord, our God, is one Lord. Then you are called, in due time, you are called individually. And you are sent to experience the truth of this first and great commandment.